Anthony, we got the latest track with Hurricane Maria, still well offshore, expected to stay offshore, even bend a little bit further to the east. It's slowing down, though. That's kind of what the latest update has been showing us, is that it's slowing down just slightly and could expected to kind of stall off the East Coast a little bit as we head into Monday and Tuesday. And that's kind of because it's going to get linked up a little bit with Jose. We'll talk about what that we'll do in just a second. But with Maria, we're just expecting some powerful surf to the coast here or along the first coast and the coastlines of Florida. So no immediate impacts, expected here. We could take a nice deep sigh of relief here. Tropical storm conditions are expected to the Turks and Caicos, but the storm expected still to stay just east of those islands as it cruises up to the north. And like I mentioned, it's slowing down a bit. So with the latest numbers and the latest expectations, we really got to see how it plays out with the high off to in the Atlantic, the high over the states, and how it merges kind of up with Jose to kind of determine how east the storm will stay, because there is some uncertainty in the fact that it could skirt the east coast of the Carolinas. But with the latest update from the National Hurricane Center and some of the models I've been looking at, it's likely that this storm does bend out to the east, stall out a little bit. So the impacts up and down the east coast, really just going to see some powerful surf. So if you're an avid surfer or you're an ocean goer, expect some powerful seas expected over the next couple of days. Now, it's been an active 2017 hurricane season. We'll break down what we can expect here a little bit more locally throughout the rest of the weekend, and we got that all-important Friday forecast in just a bit, guys.